If you can't speak fluently, this video can change everything. Just don't skip this video. Keep watching until the end. I will change your everything. Let's go to the topic. Listen carefully. You want to speak English fluently, but you can't. You want to speak English fluently, but you are not able to speak. What you should do? Number one, you want to speak fluently, but you never ever try to speak. How do you accept that you will speak fluently? It's not possible. You have to speak. Otherwise, it's not possible. Like suppose you want to play guitar. You want to learn play guitar. How you will learn it? If you buy this guitar and if you take it into your hand, it is enough to learn? Not. You have to play it. You have to play it every single day. You have to learn about it. You have to strong basic like this everything. You have to play it every single day, and then you will be able to play it. So everything is same. So what you should do? I would like to give you another one example. Like if you want to become a good cricketer, if you go to the field and only watch them, they are playing very well. It is not enough to learn. It is not enough to become a good player. If you are really achieve something in the cricket, you have to take bat in your hand. You have to play every single day. If you want to become a good bowler, you have to bowl every day. So everything is like this. So English is like same. If you want to become a good speaker, if you want to speak fluently, I'm not still fluent. I'm trying. I'm getting better every single day, and I'm trying to do something. I'm trying become a good speaker. You have to practice. There is no another way. You have to speaking practice. Even when you are alone, you can take your mobile phone. You can use your camera. In front of camera, you can talk about anything, any topic. You can stand up in the front of mirror. You can talk about any topic. But this is one thing. If you really want to become a good speaker, you have to speak. That's it. Let me clarify one more thing. Speaking is one side. Speaking is most important. Always remember one thing. You have to watch English videos in your mobile phone, laptop, computer, anywhere. You have to must watch this type of video. I mean English video you have to watch must. Because suppose a kid, how he able to speak his mother tongue first. How he listen everywhere from his mother, from his father. He is listening. Listening is very important. At the period of time he is able to speak something, but he always try to speak, but he can't. He always catch words, which word is correct at this time. Everything he catch first, and then he try to speak. At the period of time like 2 or 3 years later, he is able to speak. So everything is same. You have to listen more and more in this podcast. I will suggest you must follow this channel, Jack Ma Motivation channel. You must follow it. This is very important for a beginner. And Sanju Sherawat English is very beautiful channel. You can follow it. You can try to like me and always practice like me and keep going.